to get out of the vehicle. Ma'am, I've asked you to step out of the vehicle. Now I'm going to tell you to step out of the vehicle. And if you refuse to step out,
Y'all gonna kill me because I'm black?
I have to remove you from the vehicle.
No, I'm not.
This is the last time I'm going to tell you. If you refuse to step out of the vehicle, I'm going to have to remove you from the vehicle.
Are y'all gonna kill me because I'm black? Is that what y'all gonna do?
I'm going to remove you from the vehicle.
I know that.
Hold on. I gotta say this. This is the dumbest ever in my life. You're refusing every order they give you and being very patient. Now you're gonna throw out there, you're gonna kill me because I'm black. That has nothing to do with you not being an adult and taking care of your business. Y'all gotta stop doing that type of shit, okay? Yo, what's poppin', GE? Gang, it's your boy Food. We are back with another banger reaction video. Shout out to my people, man. It is Wednesday. It is hump day. It's going down, okay? We ain't gonna play no games. We getting straight to the business. We got videos to knock down, okay? The last couple of days, I took a couple of days off, but yesterday I put out some heat for you guys, and you guys been showing major love, and we just been having fun and doing what we do like we always do, and we having fun, and laughter is good for you. These are hormones that make you feel good. It makes you live longer, and it cleans out your liver. It detoxifies your body. If you didn't know that, now you know, okay? You know, I gotta give you some real shit when we doing what we doing. And you know, we laugh and joke all the time, but I gotta give you some real spill. And yes, laughter cleanses your soul. When they say laughter cleanses your soul, like they really mean it. It cleanses your liver. It cleanses your body, okay? Them endorphins kick in to feel good, and then think I'm lying, go look it up. You feel me? If you're in the Discord, you would have know I put a video in there of Yaki saying what laughter actually does to your body, which a lot of people don't know. So when you're walking around depressed, it's a reason why you're sick, not feeling good. Life ain't going the way you want to. I don't care if it ain't going the way you want to. If you're laughing your way through it, you're going to live longer. You're going to be able to wake up every morning and get to it. You know what I'm saying? And feel good doing it. It's only one or two ways it's going to happen. Be in the dumps or be happy in the dumps, or just be happy. You know what I'm saying? We about to tap into a video, man. Like I said, we getting straight into it. She refuses to get out of the car, so they drag her out. I'm with that. If you refuse, don't obey a lawful order, you're either going to get tased, or I'm going to drag you out, and I'm going to drag you out, and I'm going to tase you. I don't know. How it's going to go down, it's going to go down. Before we get into the video, I got to check on my people's meeperies, man. Shout out to Bosa. Hey, how you doing mentally, emotionally, energetically, physically, psychologically? Yeah, psychologically, and most important, spiritually, to tie it all around. You know what I'm saying? I gotta give it to you when I give it to you, okay? Make sure your meats are in order so we can make sure that we laughing and joking like we're supposed to all the way through life, okay? I want my people to be here as long as we can. I want to be 110, be on this motherfucker going crazy with you guys, okay? That's the type of time I'm on. So with that being said, get in the comment section 1 through 10. Let us know what your meats are at. Other than that, got my Celsius, got my water. I'm in here for the long haul for you guys. We about to knock some videos down. We about to have fun doing. We about to laugh our way through this life. And we're going to start with this video, and I hope it's good, okay? Shout out to my people for sending me the videos.
On February 3rd, 2023, a Sandy Springs police officer on patrol spotted a vehicle with only one working headlight and conducted a traffic stop in Atlanta, Georgia.
Oh, ATL.
Hey, hello, ma'am.
Hi.
Hey, I stopped you because you have one headlight up there. My name's Officer Kramer, Sandy Springs Police.
Okay.
Do you have your driver's license on you?
Yes.
Thank you. Do you know you had a headlight out?
Yes.
You did know? Okay. You working on getting it fixed?
I am, yes.
Okay. All right. Give me just a minute. I'm coming right back to you.
Okay.
When officers ran her driver's license, they uncovered even more violations.
What? Suspended license? What?
Suspended, no valid insurance. Dishonest.
Hey, nigga, you do the wild thing. Y'all know about that tongue local.
Oh, that your record shows the vehicle doesn't have insurance. You have insurance. I go from there. Okay. Suspended anyways, and it's expired.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
So, your tag is suspended for lack of insurance. Do you have insurance on the vehicle?
No.
You don't have insurance on the vehicle?
No.
So what's going on?
Okay, so honestly, I was waiting until I got paid, and I did today. Because I was having issues because my direct deposit got sent to the wrong account. So I was waiting today to get paid to pay it. Because I go on e-drive services. I was going to pay the full amount today. That was my plan. So I had to wait 2 weeks to get paid. Because I haven't.
Too much explaining. We already know that you're guilty, okay? And if you're paying all of that money and doing all that, you might as well go ahead and carry the insurance. It's gonna save you in the long run, okay? Go ahead and pay the $300, and rather than paying $600 in tickets and $700 in tickets, it makes sense. Because what you're saying is I have to pay this, do this, and this, wait for this, and wait. But if you just carry the insurance, you'll be okay. You wouldn't even, you know what I'm saying? That's what I had to learn back in the day. Too many insurance tickets, no insurance tickets. I had to go get it. That would save me some money, even though I didn't want to pay the insurance. I feel like it's a scam. I got to have it. You know what I'm saying?
Like this until I haven't got paid.
I got you. Where are you working?
I work at on perimeter.
Okay.
That's why I usually pay it from the e-drive services. I was gonna pay the $200.
Did you get paid today?
I did, yes.
Okay. Give me a minute. I'm gonna come back to you. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
After hearing about her paycheck issues, one officer considered cutting her a break. But his partner looked deeper and uncovered that she was a habitual offender who pulled this kind of thing all the time.
Oh, big liars!
No. So you don't think give her the opportunity to get insurance in front of me?
Midnight.
Okay.
Bust the move, okay? Hello. You fine, fellow. Just bust the move. You want it?
No.
What? Baby, you got it.
There you go. Now you get suspended registration, no insurance, expired tag. Those are 3 tickets, and then you can give her a warning for your initial stop, which was the headlight.
Yes, ready? You're right.
Man, he wanted to cut her a break so bad. The other one was like, you gotta look deeper, sir.
Yeah. All right, ma'am. This is for you.
It's towing the car.
I have to. I don't have a choice. Suspended registration. I don't have a choice.
I just paid it and paid
Even
my
if you have insurance on it, with the registration being suspended, it's an arrestable offense.
No, I just paid it.
I know the registration you couldn't have though.
No, I literally just paid the $160 for the registration.
For insurance, you had to get insurance. There's no way you fix registration.
No, I'm doing the insurance now.
For knowingly driving without insurance, I have to tow the vehicle. I have these for you to sign. Remember, you're not admitting to guilt when you sign this thing. You're saying that you will appear at this court date. This is the address for the court date. Take that for me there. This is the address for the court date. All right, and this is the time. Okay. Sign right here at the bottom. And it's not admission of guilt. It is just saying that you will appear at that court date. Get everything of value out of the car.
Guys want to pick me up?
Yes, yeah, of course. I've got a few more for you here. Same spot. And once more. You don't want them taking a whole bunch of your stuff with you though, so make sure you get everything of value out of the car with you. And I'm going to give you these bottom 3. I can't let the car leave. I'm sorry. My hands are tied.
But this thing is on there now.
I know. I can't let the car drive off.
God, get out,
my
baby.
hands are tied here. I don't have a choice. I'm sorry.
It just cleared. I just cleared it.
I know. I can't let the car drive off. I'm telling you, my hands are tied. Because when I stop the car for suspended registration, it's much worse.
That's because I have to pay the down. I just paid it.
And because of lack of insurance is what it's suspended for. I just don't have a choice.
I just paid for both of them.
I know. I don't have a choice here. I'm sorry. If you would grab everything of value out, and
I have to stand outside.
Yes.
Till I call my aunt.
Yes, until you get a ride here.
I asked Rose, I said,
Just get everything of value out of it.
one of y'all cars? He was like, yes, when our
Do I have to stand outside?
Yes, you can.
I don't want to stand outside.
Yeah. Oh yeah, that's what. Damn, that shit was fucked up. Yeah, that's what it looks like.
You're free to stay under this hanging here until your ride gets here. So you don't have to stand out in the rain.
Or you go in the gas station.
Either way.
Do you have anything valuable you need to get out of your car besides your bag there?
All right, man. We get everything of value out. We got it packed up at least.
Now you gonna ignore them?
See, after this, I didn't go to the parking lot. I didn't go to the yard.
He's being very patient. I ain't gonna lie.
It's what?
Okay, pick up the
Yeah, from this place. I'm gonna give you a case card that has all the info on it. You gotta step out with me.
Even if I paid it.
Yes, ma'am. Step out with me. I'm gonna give you a case card. It's got the location of your vehicle where you can pick it up.
And
All right,
you still
ma'am.
making an effort to get out of the car. Okay, you still got your seatbelt on, you're sitting in there. The only thing you're going to do is make a bad situation worse. Okay? So you need to start getting out of the car. Are you talking to me? Because you're talking to the car.
Big toddler vibes. Okay, she didn't shut all the way down. Okay, listen, this is the first ever on this dash cam, body cam, whatever you want to call it. She's getting evicted from her vehicle. We got eviction out of a vehicle. Then she want to try to scramble and pay everything to stay in her vehicle. Just like the eviction. I never got the eviction notice. Hey, I'm trying to call and pay the landlord. Guess what? You pay the landlord to take your money. You still getting evicted. Same thing. You paid all that stuff for nothing because your car's still getting impounded. Basically eviction. You're getting kicked out. Now you're going to act like a toddler. And you're going to make the situation worse. It can't get no more two-patient officers than what you got. Now you about to go ahead and turn this up. And you about to make this real funnery for me, okay? I'm just saying. You about to get evicted out your Altima. Is that the Altima? I don't know.
And I can't hear a thing you're saying.
Ma'am. Ma'am.
No, I'm not standing outside at night.
Ma'am, you have to get out of the vehicle.
No, I don't.
Ma'am,
Okay,
I've asked you to step out of the vehicle. Now I'm going to tell you to step out of the vehicle. And if you refuse to step out,
Y'all gonna kill me because I'm black?
I have to remove you from the vehicle.
No, I'm not.
This is the last time I'm going to tell you. If you refuse to step out of the vehicle, I'm going to have to remove you from the vehicle.
Are y'all gonna kill me because I'm black? Is that what y'all doing?
I'm going to remove you from the
I
vehicle.
know that means.
Hold on. I gotta say this. This is the dumbest ever in my life. You're refusing every order they give you and being very patient. Now you're gonna throw out there, you're gonna kill me because I'm black. That has nothing to do with you not being an adult and taking care of your business. Y'all gotta stop doing that type of shit, okay? You gonna kill me because I'm white? You gonna kill me because I'm black? No. And why are you talking about kill? I'm just gonna pull you out of the vehicle, like I said, make you sit over on the side, or you gonna go to jail. You know what I'm saying? Like, what are we doing? Like, why is that a thing? Why is that a thing? That's the dumbest shit you can say, dummy. It's the dumbest thing you can say. You're disobeying a lawful order after you got caught red-handed driving with a suspended license and multiple no insurance tickets. And they know your scheme, your scam. This is what you do to get out of everything. And now they say, you know what, not this time. I'm trying to bring race into it, you goofy.
You coming out?
No, I'm not.
Okay. All right, ma'am.
Let go of the bag.
Let go of it.
Leave me the. Y'all better stop.
Let go of the
Stop.
bag.
Stop.
Let go of the bag, ma'am. You're under arrest. I got the bag. Y'all get there. Take the bag with you.
You big dummy.
I'm fucking white police.
You're under arrest. You're under arrest. Give me your arm.
Taser! I'm telling you.
Right now.
This is dumb. It just don't make no sense. Why? Take the phone.
No.
All right, hold on for that for life.
First.
Give me my phone.
Let go.
Get my phone.
Give me my phone.
Take the phone. Thank you.
Y'all hurt my fucking leg.
Because you're fighting. If you would comply.
Give me.
You're under arrest for obstruction.
Y'all make my fucking face. You're hurting my wrist.
You asked for it.
You're hurting my wrist.
Should have gotten out of the car when we told you to the first time.
Ah, you're hurting my wrist.
Go ass.
Ah, you're hurting my wrist.
You call when you get to the jail. Search her from the car.
Ah, you're hurting my wrist. Ah, you're hurting my wrist.
Now you want to start crying.
You have anything on you that's going to poke me or stick me? Ma'am.
She was charged with suspended registration, disorderly conduct, and no insurance, then transported to Fulton County Jail.
Cool, whatever, I'm over it. She called it all on her own. This is what she wanted. She didn't want to go home. She didn't want to wait outside the car, under the carport, get picked up by her aunt, go have a good meal, or probably Taco Tuesday. Instead, you want to go have... you want to go have Meals on Wheels at the prison or at the jail. You know what I'm saying? Like, why'd you choose that? And why'd you think you staying in the car telling them what you're not going to do is going to make things any better? What is going on with people's mental? Now you see why we check on people's meeps? Now you see why we check on people's mental. This was the most dumbest thing she could have ever did. Like, and she brought it on. Do I feel sorry for her? No. And then she wants to start crying. You're hurting my wrist. Well, you're the reason that your wrists are in handcuffery. You didn't have to be. You could have had your purse on. You could have went to the store, got you some chips and a drink, waited for your aunt. You chose this route. There's nothing else to talk about. Goodbye. What my mom say? Hello and goodbye. You know what I'm saying? Type down in the comment section, like, why do we got to be so dumb? Why the race car got to be pulled? Like, these type of people in life is always going to be in trouble. They're always going to blame somebody else for their downfalls and what they're going through. Never take accountability. Like, you want to just throw the race car out there, like, for no apparent. It doesn't even go with what the hell went on. This was not the scenario to throw that in. Now, if there were two black officers, what you would have said? What you would have said? I'm just curious what you would have said. You would have thought of something. No, I know that for sure. I know that for sure. Tap down in the comment section. Let's talk about it, man. We on to the next video because this one, I'm over it. It sounded dumb. She brought it on herself, and she got what she deserved. She lucky she didn't get no taser to the. What that new? I learned a new word. Hold on. I learned a new word. Hold on. I got to say this one because I got to start incorporating it. Fundio. Hey, you lucky you didn't catch a taser to the fundio. In Spanish, that means culo. That's another word for culo. Fundio. That's going to be my new shit. Shout out to my Spanish peoples that gave me that new word. Hey, fools, you should use this word right here because it means the same thing as culo. And I like that. Culo sound good too, but fundio sound like I'm calling Batman and Superman. Tap down in the comment section. Let's talk about it. Let's talk about how dumb she was and how we not as dumb as her and we going to roast you. You looked respectable. You look like you... Why'd you go this route? I have no idea. Look like you could have been working a corporate job. Now corporate gonna look at you and be like, I don't know.